Hello guys, welcome to LearnTube. In the last video, we learned about Bootstrap 5 files and CDN. In this video, let us understand browser support for Bootstrap 5. Continue watching. Does Bootstrap 5 work in all browsers? Bootstrap 5 works fine in the latest, stable releases of all major browsers and platforms. Does Bootstrap 5 support all browsers? The answer is no. Working fine and supporting are two different aspects. Support means, Bootstrap will make sure that it works in that respective browser officially, and in case if the certain feature does not work, a bug can be raised by an individual. Does Bootstrap 5 work fine in Internet Explorer? The answer is, Bootstrap 5 has officially dropped support for Internet Explorer, though most of Bootstrap should still work fine. In case you want official Bootstrap support in Internet Explorer, use Bootstrap 4. What else is not officially supported? Bootstrap 5 officially does not support Chromium browser, Chrome for Linux, and Firefox for Linux. But, Bootstrap should work just fine here also. What about support for mobile browsers? Mobile browsers such as Opera Mini, Opera Mobile's Turbo Mode, UC Browser Mini, Amazon Silk are not officially supported, but, still Bootstrap should work just fine here. In this video, we understood which browsers are not supported by Bootstrap 5. This video is a part of the LearnTube Bootstrap 5 tutorial playlist. Find the playlist URL in the description. Thank you for watching this video. If you like our videos, hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates from our side.